Hello and welcome to another video. This video is for my Games and Graphics Programming second assignment submission. This is the code that I have used. Every important bit has been well commented as it should. This is the main program. This is a header file I have made with the other bit to with all the functions that are used within the header file. Anyway, this is a matching pairs game. As we can see, we have our columns, our rows, a 5x4 grid, and we just type in numbers as such, like 0, 1, and then 0, 2. And each time we do it, it tells us our what cards we have found. So we have card 1 here, 01, and card 2 being 11. So if we do 01, well, that tends to happen whenever any character that is not an integer will tend to break the code. So ideally I try to avoid it. Anyway, I could have done some more of like ways to catch errors, but honestly it's just I'm a bit too lazy to do it. In all honesty, 47, 36. But I should also explain as to why the game looks as it is. Mainly because of well, the game engine that we were provided was not really the best. And as you can see, cards flipped. Now if we try to do it again, it will say that it has already been flipped. And sorry for sounding a bit under the weather, but I have gotten a bit of an illness as of recently, but yeah. Anyway, all of this works up until, of course, you have reached the end of you have matched all the cards. Now, this is essentially the end for what I am to show, but now I will explain as to why it is as it is. Firstly, I wanted to mainly use the raycasting bit of what we have used in class, but the color of the raycasting bit of the games engine we have created has not been very cooperative, as if I try to run this, it breaks, and the moment I comment out, well, I'm going to do is comment out this, as this tends to be what breaks it. Okay, now I have no idea what is actually doing the things. Yeah, as you can see, it is very uncooperative. I have been trying to find fixes here and there wherever I could, but it just refused to be cooperative. And because of this, I was basically a bit unable to do much in terms of this work. And because of that, I have made a more bare-bone, two-dimensional in console, using basically console commands, to make the matching pairs game. And in my honest opinion, making a memory game in a third dimension where all the cards are more 3D, have have shadows being cast onto the world itself is, in my opinion, a bit redundant. As in most cases, it can easily be just a 2D game with not much else to it. And yeah, and I didn't show you this. This is the loop to check if the input is within the ideal range. And it is for, well, both inputs. This is not commented due to the fact that, well, it is the exact same. But yeah, this is bit my rant. Game works. I would of course would try to do and actually beat it, but I generally don't want to do it. It's time consuming, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this explanation is sufficient enough as to why everything is as is. And yeah, be seeing you. Peace.